Welcome to Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Shahid Benazirabad. Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Shahid Benazirabad is a landmark in the demarcations of education and learning emanated on the horizons of Shahid Benazirabad in 2010. Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Shahid Benazirabad is a fully chartered public sector university established through the ingenious and always supportive to uplift this university. The university, as it is located in the very heart of rural Sindh, is a home to 5,000 students and around 350 employees, including teaching and non-teaching members. Along with the main campus at Shahid Benazirabad, the university has two other campuses at Sangar and Noshero Feroz with a highly conducive educational environment. Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Shahid Benazirabad is fortunate enough to have young, energetic, highly qualified and experienced team working under the dynamic leadership of a charismatic personality, Engineer Professor Dr. Madad Ali Shah. Engineer Professor Dr. Madad Ali Shah got his BE in Computer Engineering from Mehran University of Engineering Technology, Jamshoro in 1991 with 2 gold medals. He earned his MPhil in Mobile Communication from University of Plymouth, United Kingdom in 1997 and achieved his PhD from Brunel University, United Kingdom in Satellite Navigation in 2002. He received J.R. Beard Award from Institute of Engineering and Technology, United Kingdom, and Excellence Award from Institute of Navigation, United States of America. He won Best University Teacher Award twice from Higher Education Commission, Islamabad. Further, he has 33 years of professional experience internationally. He was the pioneer Vice Chancellor of the Benazir Bhutto Shahid University of Technology and Skill Development, Khairpur, and got approved PC1 of 2 billions to convert the Benazir Bhutto Shahid University of Technology and Skill Development, Khairpur into reality. At present, he is serving as the Vice Chancellor of Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Shahid Benazirabad, Sindh, Pakistan. Professor Dr. Liaquat Ali Zardari is serving as an Acting Dean, Faculty of Science and Technology and Academic Coordinator. He earned his PhD in Chemistry from University of Sindh, Jamshoro. Professor Dr. Salman Bashir is an Acting Dean, Faculty of Management and Business Administration, Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Shahid Benazirabad. He earned his PhD in Management Sciences from Queen Margaret University, Edinburgh, Quality Education in Rural Areas. Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Shahid Benazirabad imparts education in various disciplines that includes Business Studies, Information Technology, English, Education, Chemistry, Media Studies, Statistics, Genetics, Economics, Sindhi, Fine Arts, and Microbiology. Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Shahid Benazirabad facilitates the students with a central library well stocked with more than 15,000 books, along with a digital library where students and faculty can access millions of books online. The university offers a prodigious range of sports facilities that includes impressive grounds for cricket, volleyball, and amazing courts for badminton, basketball, table tennis, and squash. The sports complex facilitates the students with a well-equipped gymnasium. Students from the far-flung areas have the hostel facility. There are separate hostels for boys and girls which can accommodate more than 400 students at a time. The university has established a well-equipped dispensary and ambulance service for the medical emergency and first aid treatment of students and employees. In order to cater the food and beverages needs of the students and employees, Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Shahid Benazirabad has established central canteen, tuck shops and takeaway centers. University broadcasts various programs and live sessions by students and faculty through its FM radio. The university organizes annual conferences at national and international levels, annual book fairs, conduct various training programs and workshops, arranges different sessions for the academic and professional grooming of students and staff. The university has its central Jamia Mosque where around 1200 believers can say their prayers at a time. The university facilitates the students and staff who come from distant areas with transportation facilities. Moreover, the university has shuttle services for transportation within the campus. The university has purpose-built spacious parking areas for the protection and security of the vehicles. The university has deployed trained personnel that patrols on foot and on vehicles 24/7 in the campus and established integrated command center for surveillance through cameras. Further, the whole campus is covered by the compound wall fenced with barbed wire to prevent trespassers and restrict unauthorized access to the university premises. Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Shahid Benazir Abad, has also built around 80 residential units for the employees.